So finally guys, there is a good news for GB WhatsApp lovers. Now the latest version of official GB WhatsApp 18.10.0 is available. If you have not updated it, please update it. After updating your application to the latest version, you would have the latest security patch of 5 November 2021 means of today. Your data will be more safe and more secure. After updating this application, what features you are going to have, I am going to tell you in this video today. So let us start the video. First of all, we will talk about the pros, what are the benefits if you update your application, and also tell you that what still problems are there that you can face if you update your application. So if you update your application, by the look basis, you can see that it is quite same as the previous versions. There is a benefit that now the ads are not much shown here exactly in the home screen, only shown here above the plus button. Similarly, if you click on status, you can check out that ads are not shown here, means only one ad is shown here in only home screen, which is above the plus button. Rest you talk about the if you talk about the look basis, it is quite same. If you click on plus button here, you can see that few options are shown. First option is that themes. If you click on first option, you can download unlimited themes are shown here. You can download and you can apply. Some more themes are also added here in this version. If you click on second option, this option is a caller phone option. So some caller phones are also added here. If you download to the latest version, you would be able to set caller phones while you make calls to anyone, voice calls, the caller phone will be shown here. Similarly, if you talk about the third option is here. If you click here by this option, you can add new contact. You can also create a new group. So if these are some options here in the plus button if you click. Now let us talk about what are the major changes. So if you open any chat, here you can click on three dots. So here you can check out that there is no voice changer option and there is no log conversation option, which were actually expected that will be getting in the next update, but this is not available here. Similarly, if you click on contacts, so here you can see that the quite different things are shown, but one which is major highlighted portion is that now you can check out here disappearing message. Once when you click on this, you can set out that after how much time your messages will be deleted, itself will be automatically disappeared. Here now the time has been increased, as in the previous versions it was only 7 days. Now you can increase it 24 hours, 7 days or 90 days maximum. If you set 90 days, what would happen? Automatically your messages will be disappeared from the next person's chats. So it means if you want to set your messages to the automatically disappearing, you can enable it, and you can also set the time, which is maximum now 90 days, which is very good thing. If we talk about more features, then click on three dots on the top. Here you can add new group. You can also create a new broadcast. You can also check out that your GB WhatsApp can be accessed in your laptop or PC. Similarly, by link devices, you can also bookmark the messages and can check out here. You can send money and you can also receive money by using this option. You can send a message to anyone without saving contact number, and you can also schedule messages. If you don't want to wake up till late night and you want to record a message right now, you can record a message by using this option, and that message you can set the time and that message will be sent automatically according to the time. If you talk about click on GB settings, then what would happen? You can see that all the features are shown here, all the options are shown here of official GB WhatsApp. First one is privacy and security. If you click on privacy and security, then you can check out that now you can hide your last seen. You can also disable forwarded chat. You can also set who can call you. Like as if you click on who can call you, three options are there. Everybody can call you, my contacts only can call me, and nobody can call me. If you enable these options, you can use it. Similarly, if you view anyone's status, you don't want to let him know that you have viewed their status, you can enable hide view status. Similarly, you can enable anti-delete status. Another option is here. So you want to enable anti-delete messages, and you also can enable anti-view ones. So what would happen if anybody send you message anti-view, then message will not be deleted for you. You can view it again and again. Similarly, blue ticks after reply is available. Click on contacts, and for the particular contacts, you can hide blue ticks, second tick, blue microphone, and hide typing. So these options were available in the previous version as well. If you talk about in the universal settings, you can send the photos in the best quality. You can also increase the media limit, MB limit you may say. You can also upload 5 minutes status of video, like as in GB does. Similarly, you want to hide your photos, videos, GIFs sent on your GB WhatsApp, you can enable it here. These three options are shown. You want to enable chat heads, you can enable here, and you can also increase the forward limit. You can enable self destructive messages here. This is the major important option which is available here. Similarly, you want to update it automatically, then these options are here. You can enable and you can update it application automatically. Click on choose icons. Here multiple icons are shown. If you want to choose any icon, you can choose from here. Similarly, go back. Now you can click on backup. So what would happen if you want to take backup in cloud storage? Here two options are there, Mega account and also like as Dropbox account. So without login in these cloud storage, if you click on directly here this option backup data, then what would happen? The backup will be stored in your phone. So this is also very important. Like as if you talk about the home screen options, click on home screen. You can also enable contact online toast, ringtone, separate chats and groups. You can also show your name on the header portion. You can enable DND option in the home screen. You can also enable dark mode, light mode, and pin options are there. You can use it. Similarly, if you talk about themes options are there, and dye theme options are already available in the home screen in the plus button. You can click and you can apply. Click on dye themes, and after that what would happen, you can set your home screen. How would it look like exactly? You want to set a wallpaper in the home screen, click on edit, and thereafter click on recommendations, and thereafter you can choose any image available in your you may say that file manager. You can choose. Similarly, you don't want to choose any image, you just want to choose a color. Then what would happen? For that you need to click on color and you can choose color. Similarly, you want to make changes in your conversation, you can set a wallpaper in a conversation portion, and you also many options are there. You can choose according to your choice. So this is very helpful. Similarly, I talked about the caller phone option which is already available. If you want, you can use it. So this is the latest version of official GB WhatsApp 18.10.0. If you want to update it, you can update it. If you want to download it, visit description, follow our Telegram group, type GB WhatsApp version 18.10. You will get this application. You can download and you can install it. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Very soon we'll see you again. For the time being, bye bye and take care.